$23 for some magnetic hooks. And then 5 book boxes. Of course, these are not the exact same design as what I have in my classroom currently. That's always annoying. Pretty sure the ones I have don't have that lip on top, and I like when things match. I am that kind of person, but oh well. And the plants I'm gonna take home that look kind of half dead, but hey, I love a half dead 50% off plant. I have these right now and they're so cute. Ended up with 6 flats of these. They're $2 a piece. These are some nice looking ones. I'll be able to keep them alive. And this is where the project is at. All of this was weeds that I took out. This is mostly the dirt pile, but I didn't get around that little edge either. And then we can plant. So that'll be the after classroom project. But there's a food truck around here on Thursdays that has really, really good mini donuts. And so we're getting mini donuts at 3. So we might have to plant after, which is totally fine. Here we are, home sweet classroom. Let's put these books on the shelves. I put them somewhat in the same grouping, so I do alphabetical author's last name for my chapter books. So that should be nice and easy. Yay, it looks so cute. So here's the bins I bought. Here's the ones from last year. You can see the lip is different. The ones last year came with a little pouch, which I have these pouches. It's just annoying that they don't look the exact same. I am obsessed though. I'm becoming more and more like my dad every single day. I was like so excited that I found this scrap piece in my bin of scrap pieces that would fit. And I remember when I was younger, I would make fun of him for being excited about the scrap wood pile in his basement when he found a use for it. Just like my dad. Pro tip, measure with your Velcro first. So this is how wide the shelf is. Then if you have lines on your floor, you can fold it over to match the line, obviously not with one hand. Then you can cut it straight. Okay, so this is what we got so far. I've got my instructional manuals here. Most of the time I prefer to have it in a bin like this. But if I have a lot of kids, like here, there was 4 kids in that group. It just makes more sense to put them in this, which is from Walmart. I don't know exactly what these are called, but you can get them in the office supply aisle, and I just like to put my teacher manuals and kid textbooks in it if I have a lot of kids in a group. But if I don't, then I'll do a bin for that kid because it's easier if I have a sub. So we need to take out the blue bins, put them in the black, have to get our pocket label things out of the closet, and switch it over. I haven't used them in a while, so it's probably on the bottom of one of these. I am so annoyed. All of these cabinets that I have for so much great storage. Wouldn't it be nice if I could just, you know. I'm literally gonna have a bin in each one. Like, I mean, maybe I could have them take the doors off, but why? Why can't anything in my life be easy? And it's not even that there's like the overhang in the front, the little overhang in the back, like that's a significant chunk. And I'm not fast forwarding this because it isn't very interesting. So I'm kind of just like making a category as I go. A lot of them are like this, where it's like a dinosaur footprint. And here's the dinosaur footprint that matches it. Because I bought like a humongous pack of those. Yeah, so we have a lot more to go through, and it wouldn't be very interesting to see me sitting and shuffling. So no fast forward, but I'm also like demoralized because I was really hoping that those would fit. I literally feel like I got nothing accomplished that I wanted to, but it's 2 o'clock. I gotta go. We're getting mini donuts together, so I'll take you along for that, and I'll take you along for planting. So if you're only here for teacher content, feel free to check on out. Taking these 3 home. Got a pile of books to take home. Gotta finish my snack. I started organizing my unique learning system stuff because I didn't know what I wanted to do with my file folder stuff, but I have them organized. So shapes, numbers in word form. So some of them are matching words to like the number, fingers, 10 frames, that sort of thing. Colors. This one's like, here's a vet, here's a construction worker. Match them up. We got errorless, so those are a lot of my file folders. So like just put the jelly bean in the jar. Matching letters, matching numbers. So that table is all coming home with me. This table I'm leaving as is because I really don't want to just put this in a cabinet like this way. So I thought about maybe I could put some of these textbooks in the cabinet down there, but I don't even know if a textbook is gonna fit. So we're just leaving a giant mess, honestly. And the wheel keeps falling off of that, which is really annoying. So I brought this from home and I swapped it out with my wooden one because the wooden one used to be here, and I took pictures of the stuff in these drawers so that I could put a label on it, because the occupational therapist and the speech therapist, they come in and they, take some of these things to work with my student. So we're gonna do labels for that. Also decided that I really like that the whiteboard and clipboard will be over here, so I'll make labels for that. Randomly put the pillow up there. I mean, this all turned out wonderfully, and that's exactly what I wanted. This isn't by any means how the groups are going to go. This is just the existing groups that I had last year, so I literally just swapped it from the blue bin to the black bin and kept the same sticker. And I'll go through rearranging that when we figure out the schedule. It's still not finalized, which is kind of frustrating. I would like to know, when the lunches are, when are the recesses. Yeah, I feel like we got nothing done today, even though, we did. It's just not as evident as it was in the past videos, but whatever. Let's get out of here. Several hours later, and we are home from donuts. We also had to go to Menards. One of the girls I was with, her husband called and was like, we need a wax ring from Menards. So, nothing better than 3 girls and a baby wandering around Menards. But we found the toilet thing and then just went out to look at the plants. And what did I find? It was $20. This thing, carpet, tile situation. I am very, very excited. So we need to finish my mess right here so I can plant these, and then I want to put this kind of near where the drain spout is. And I think it's a perennial if I was reading the zoning for the plants correctly. It'd be really awesome if it was. They don't look great right now, but give me a week or so and I bet you they'll be looking great.